Hi friends. So this is a very beautiful waterfalls. There is something called a Shinrin Yoku in Japanese concept. Shinrin Yoku means bathing in the nature. So the Japanese people, they do this ritual every month in their life. They go to places like this and they just become one with the nature. Now here we are going to become one with this water. Now we are going inside the water and we are going to become one with this beautiful falls. That helps in cleansing our emotional negative baggages and also aura cleansing. So wherever you see this kind of natural falls, why can't you also do Shinrin Yoku?